New report out today from Microsoft, Amazon, the FBI, and Department of Justice says ransomware is a national security threat and calling for regulation of cryptocurrencies. Our Eamon Javers explains. Eamon.
Yeah, John, this is from the Institute for Security and Technology. And what they're saying here, all these member groups contributing to this report on getting their arms around the threat of ransomware, which they do say is a national security threat. And the question is what to do about it. One of the things they're focused on here is cryptocurrency, because that's how the payments are getting made to the bad guys. And they walk us through in the report the actual process by which crypto laundering takes place by the bad guys, starting with taking dollars and turning them into Bitcoin when the victims exchange fiat currency for crypto, then to the payout where the victim sends the crypto to the hacker's wallet. Then they split the spoils. The criminals distribute payments to their affiliates and bosses. Then there's the tumbler process, whereby the payments are mixed with legitimate funds. And then an exchange where criminals sell the mixed crypto on exchanges for foreign fiat currency. And that turns it back into dollars again that the bad guys can use. So the question is, what do you do about all this? Well, here are some of their recommendations from this organization. They're talking about allowing anonymous sharing, incentivizing sharing of wallet addresses, transaction hashes, and ransom notes. Know your customer regulations. They want anti-money laundering regulations to apply in the crypto world. They want SEC enforcement. They want the traditional banks to pursue SEC enforcement of cryptocurrency businesses that fail to register as broker-dealers, for example. And then the old-fashioned one, see something, say something. Exchanges and other crypto players, they say, should file suspicious activity reports, those SARS reports, just like we see in the financial world. And they also want the IRS to continue its crackdown on tax evasion signatures, which would allow more tracking of some of the bad guys here in this space, John. So a lot of recommendations here. We'll see how many of them are actually put in place in this crypto world, which is sort of like the Wild West right now, as you know.
Yeah, Eamon, some of the numbers in this report kind of staggering. $350 million in ransomware in 2020, up 3x over 2019. We only hear about this sporadically. So even with these changes, since so much of this is done in the shadows, is it clear that it's going to have an impact if they get everything they want?
If they get everything they want, it definitely will have an impact. The question is whether that's possible. You know what happens in this town to these blue ribbon commissions. Now, they say this one is going to get a high-level audience here in Washington, but the question is whether all of this is doable. Who will push back on these recommendations? And the big thing to me, I just keep going back to this idea of disclosure. You're talking about all this money that's being paid, and it's being paid in the dark because companies are not disclosing how much they're paying in ransomware payouts. And you've got a problem where a huge section of corporate America is simply sending checks to criminal organizations around the world, in effect, in order to get their data back. That's a real problem for the U.S. economy going forward, because the more you send those checks out, the more you make a market for that, and the more the bad guys are going to say, hey, we can do this too. So I think the problem here is disclosure. We just need to know who's paying and how much as a first starting point, and then we can begin to get our arms around how to deal with the problem.